Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I came with the topic medicinal plant turmeric. Let us see introduction to turmeric. Turmeric is a bright yellow spice commonly used in Indian and Southeast Asian cuisines. It comes from the root of the Curcuma longo plant. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its potential health benefits. Turmeric is widely used, put to use as a foodstuff, cosmetic and medicine. It is widely used as a South Asian, Middle Eastern cooking. It is used as a coloring agent in cheese, butter and other foods. Turmeric or Curcuma longa is a flowering plant in the ginger family Zingiberaceae. It is a perennial rhizomatous or herbaceous plant native to Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. It requires temperature between 20 and 30 degrees Celsius, 68 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and high annual rainfall to the year. Nutritional profile of turmeric. Turmeric is rich in curcumin, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. It contains essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin E, potassium and iron. Turmeric also provides dietary fiber and has a low calorie content. Culinary uses of turmeric. Turmeric is a key ingredient in curry powders, giving them their distinctive yellow color. It is used to flavor a wide range of dishes, including curries, soups, stews, and rice dishes. Turmeric can be used to marinate meat or add a vibrant color to vegetables and sashets. Medicinal properties of turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been studied for its potential anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric may support joint health and alternative symptoms of the arthritis. It is believed to have antioxidant effects that can help protect against chronic diseases. Traditional uses of turmeric. In traditional Ayurvedic medicine, turmeric has been used for its antimicrobial and digestive properties. It has been used topically to heal wounds and treat skin conditions. Turmeric has also been used as a natural remedy of cold, coughs and other respiratory ailments. Potential health benefits of turmeric. Research suggests the curcumin may have anti-cancer properties and could help prevent certain types of cancer. Turmeric may support heart by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood flow. It has been studied for its potential benefits in managing diabetes and promoting healthy weight management. Ways to incorporate turmeric into your diet. Add a sprinkle of turmeric to your scrambled eggs or omelets for a colorful and flavorful twist. Mix turmeric into smoothies or juices for an added health boost. Use turmeric as a seasoning for roasted vegetables or in a salad dressings. Precautions and potential side effects. Turmeric is generally safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts as a food ingredient. However, high doses of turmeric or curcumin supplements may cause digestive issues or interact with certain medications. It is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before taking turmeric supplements, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Turmeric in traditional and modern medicine. Turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine systems like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. In recent years, scientific Research has also been conducted to explore its potential health benefits. Turmeric is now available in various forms including capsules, powders and extracts for medicinal purposes. Origin and distribution. The greatest diversity of curcuma species by number alone is in India at around 40 to 45 species, Thailand as a comparable 30 to 40 species. Other countries in tropical Asia also have numerous wild species of curcuma. Recent studies have also shown that taxonomy of C. longo is problematic with only the specimens from the South India being identified as C. longo. Advantages and disadvantages of turmeric. Advantages. It is used as a dietary supplement for a variety of conditions including heart disease, digestive disorders, respiratory infections, allergies, liver diseases, depression and many more. It is commonly spiced and major ingredient in curry powder. It supports strong bones. It promotes healthy blood pressure levels. Disadvantages. It causes mild side effects such as the stomach upset, nausea, dizziness and diarrhea at higher doses. It slows blood clotting leading to an increased risk of the bruising and bleeding in people with bleeding disorders. It also contains oxalates that could increase the risk of getting kidney stones. It can aggravate stomach problems such as acid reflux and the gallstones. Traditional uses of turmeric. Some of the traditional uses of turmeric are in Eastern India, the plant is used as one of the 9 components of the Nabacteria along young plantain or banana plant, taro leaves, berry or jayanti, wood apple, pomegranate, Saracia indica, manaka or manakochu and rice paddy. It is used in chemical analysis as an indicator for acidity and alkalinity. The paper is yellow in acidic and neutral solutions and the turns brown to reddish brown in alkaline solution. Conclusion. Turmeric is a versatile spice with potential health benefits. Incorporating turmeric into your diet and add flavor and color to your meals. Before using turmeric as a supplement, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional and personalized advice. Turmeric is useful medicinal plant which is a potent antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and anti-cancer agent used in cooking and home remedies, has significant antioxidant abilities at different level of action. Turmeric has various advantages but also has disadvantages if it is consumed more.